Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Nest Wi-Fi Pro mesh network, follow these easy steps to extend your home's wireless coverage. Step 1. Download and install the Google Home app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Unbox your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router and plug it into a power outlet near your modem. Step 3. Connect the Nest Wi-Fi Pro router to your modem using the included Ethernet cable by plugging one end into the modem and the other into the WAN port on your Nest Wi-Fi Pro. Step 4. Wait for the router to power up. You'll see the light on top turn solid white or pulse when it's ready for setup. Step 5. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a new device, then select Setup Device and choose New Device. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to scan the QR code on the bottom of your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router. Step 7. Create your new Wi-Fi network by choosing a network name and password that you'll use to connect all your devices. Step 8. If you have additional Nest Wi-Fi Pro points for extending coverage, place them in different rooms and add them through the Google Home app by tapping Add and following the same setup process, positioning each point halfway between your router and the area where you need better coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.